my dear hamsters grabbing the bull of success by the horns, I'm sure most of us work hard every day to build a good life for ourselves and the people we care about. But life can be unpredictable, and none of us are completely protected from tough situations. So let's imagine for a moment. If you suddenly lost everything, what kind of mindset would you switch into? What would your next move be? Today, we're gonna watch a video that explores exactly that kind of moment. Let's take a look together and see what we can learn.
So I'm a small fish in a big pond. I have a mindset question. So I took out 2 loans to get here today. I don't even have money for a hotel. Slept
Give
in my
him a big
car.
hand, guys. Homeless dude.
Yes, I've slept in my car the past 2 nights, but I just wanted to show up. So my question is, how do you 10x your mindset to break through that fear of just getting to the next point?
You know, the thing you need to start doing is collecting money.
Yeah.
So your mind's not your problem, bro. You're sleeping in a car. 99% of the people in this room, probably no one else in the room is willing to do that, including myself. You need to pick up a check. I would tell you, before today is over, you should get somebody to give you $500. You don't need a job to do that. You need a target. You need a target, simply a target. I need $500. It starts with the first 500 or 100 or 50, whatever the number is that you need to be I need to get somebody to give me something. And
That worked. Well, that worked.
Wow. That was a really touching moment, right? And honestly, a very meaningful one. Sometimes we chase big goals and dream about millions, but forget that for some people, a warm bed and a meal on the table are already the highest luxury. Life can change fast, and this could happen to anyone. In moments like that, the most important thing is being able to accept help, stay grateful, and remember those who reached out when times were hard. And even more important, setting goals that you can achieve, reaching them step by step, day after day, slowly moving forward. I hope all my fluffy friends out there are doing well. But if you know someone going through a tough time, share this video with them. Maybe it'll give them a little strength to keep going. Catch you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.